Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm the Executive Computer Repair Instructor here at Cellbotics. And I want to take this time to tell you a little bit about myself and my history. I started back in the 90s and I went to school, and when I went to school, computer repair cost about $20,000 to take a class. Now, here it is 20 years later, and I've worked in corporate America. I've serviced over 25 different major corporate accounts, including Home Depot, Target, Walmart, Bristol-Myers Squibb, and Johnson & Johnson, just to name a few. Also, I own my own business called Computer Home Specialist. We started that service out in Las Vegas, and we were very successful repairing laptops, desktops, and printers. Now, I'm also a breast cancer survivor, as you can tell by my scarf. So I wanted to start teaching and was presented with this awesome opportunity with Nicole here at Cellbotics. And with all my experience in training, because I was also a trainer for a major corporation that's international, I've compiled a hands-on intensive workshop and training for you guys to learn computers and learn all the things I've learned over the last 20 years. I've worked on everything from workstations, desktops, laptops, server arrays, printers, both desk-sized printers and floor models, as well as servers. I've done work in probably 20 different states as a traveling computer hardware specialist and a computer analyst. So I've been in the service industry for a long time. There's a lot to know. I've done disaster recovery. I've done virus removal. You name it, I've seen it. And what I've seen, I give that knowledge to you. I teach you how to run your own business, but I also teach you, if you want to go into corporate America, how to get those jobs in corporate America. So when you come to my class, know that you're getting my 20 years worth of experience in the time that we teach you. Come on down to Cellbotics. Let me help you further your career in IT.